I offer a range of professional development sessions for lawyers at their legal firms, and these can be about essential witness preparation, where I offer some tips and guidelines from my experience about how to engage with witnesses to ensure that they give the best evidence on the day. So I also offer sessions for lawyers about wellness and self-care. Law can be a stressful profession, and lawyers are exposed to a lot of trauma which has a cumulative effect over time. These sessions equip participants with tips on self-care and helping them to identify strategies that work for them. These CPD sessions really empower lawyers in their day-to-day roles to do a better job, both for themselves and their clients. The feedback that I've had from lawyers who have attended these sessions, well, firstly, they get a CPD point, which everyone loves, and that's for practice management, but also that it's often something they've not turned their mind to.